Hi everyone, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette. Thanks for joining me today. Today I would like to show you how to make a dangle from just about any bead that you might have. So I'll be using this crystal barrel bead from the July kit that you can find in my Etsy shop called Under the Sea. I will also be using a gold-plated ball and head pin, but you can use just about any head pin that you would like. The tools that you will need to make this project are a cutter. I'm using a flush cutter, round nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. So let's get started. The first thing that you will want to do is to put the bead onto the head pin. You could also use more than one bead if you like, and just make sure that the head pin is long enough to accommodate the size of your beads. Then we will take the chain nose pliers and we'll grasp the wire of the head pin just a little bit above the bead. You don't want to be too close to the bead. We'll need that space. And we're going to bend the head pin wire away from us in a 90-degree angle. Then we'll take our round nose pliers and put them right where the bend is in the head pin, not too close to the tip. I don't want to make my loop too large. And we're going to wrap the head pin around the pliers, take them out, put the bottom jaw back in, and wrap that head pin wire all the way around until we have another 90-degree angle. I'll bring that in a little bit closer so that you can see what I'm doing. And if my hands get in the way, I will bring this back up closer to the camera. What I'm doing now is just wrapping that wire around that space that I left when I made the 90-degree bend. And you'll see that I've wrapped it around, I think I've wrapped it around twice. I usually like to wrap it around 2 or 3 times, and then I straighten out the loop if it got a little bent, which it might. And you can see that there's a little tail left here. So I'm going to come in with my cutter and very carefully snip that off. And you want to make sure that you're not too close to the bead because you could chip it. You want to also cover the wire when you're snipping it because that little tail does like to go flying. And then if there's a tiny bit of tail left there, you just press it in very carefully and gently with the chain nose pliers. And there you have it. I'm going to use this for a purse charm, but if you like, you can use these for dangles on a bracelet, charms on a bracelet, or a pendant on a necklace. All of the information for my Etsy shop will be in the description below. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.